Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss and weight management. This high protein smoothie is loaded with fiber, omega-3s, antioxidants and protein. It's easy to make on those busy mornings and does not contain added sugar or dairy milk. The high fiber and protein will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the high protein smoothie, I have already soaked a few ingredients. 1 tablespoon chia seeds which I soaked overnight in half cup of water. A handful or about 3 tablespoon raw peanuts soaked overnight. Peanuts are a good source of healthy fats, fiber and protein. 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds soaked overnight. Sunflower seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, zinc and selenium. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds soaked overnight. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, omega-6. They are also a good source of zinc, iron, calcium, B2, folate and beta-carotene. They are rich in magnesium and antioxidants. 7 to 8 overnight soaked black raisins. Soaked raisins helps with good digestion. It helps to increase metabolism. Raisins are a good source of soluble fiber and acts as a prebiotic. Helps to maintain good gut health, ideal for those with health issues like PCOS and thyroid. I'm using raisins as a sweetener in this recipe. However, you can use 1 medjool dates instead. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that omega-3s, healthy fats and fiber. Overnight soaked peanuts. Overnight soaked raisins. Half tablespoon raw cacao powder. 1 ripe banana, or you can use any favorite fruit of yours which is in season. And when you are using banana, make sure you are using the one which has the black spots. The more the black spots, the more riper and the more sweeter the banana will be. I'm roughly slicing the banana into the blender jar. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Just before serving, add the soaked chia seeds into the serving glass and then pour in the thick and creamy high protein smoothie. You can see how thick and creamy the smoothie is. Halfway through, I'm giving it a good mix and then pour in the rest of the smoothie. I'm topping it with the soaked pumpkin seeds, the soaked sunflower seeds, 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional. I like to use raw cacao nibs as they will give a subtle crunch along with some magnesium and an added chocolate flavor. Top it with the remaining sunflower seeds and my super healthy high protein breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy breakfast smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.